Welcome to my channel. So, good evening to everyone. Today, I'm going to discuss the topic is
Artlist.io.
the fundamental of the HTML. So, let's we are discuss the HTML fundamentals. So, I will explaining each and every fundamental of the HTML about the HTML. I will tell you. First
Music
of all, before
licensing
we are
reimagined.
discussing about the JavaScript, first of all we should learn this HTML fundamentals. Okay, so that's why I am telling you. Okay, let's go. Let's go for the. Let's see. You can create the one folder. So in our any drive. So this is the
Artlist.io.
HTML folder. So in this HTML folder, after open, you can click on the path. So you can enter the command characters.
Music licensing
So here
reimagined.
the our HTML file where which drive is there in that Q drive is there. So let's go for. So I want to the if I have any files in this HTML folder, you can utilize control space I, it will open.
Artlist.io.
So you can use that command, but before what we should do, first of all we can make a so do you have any
Music
Visual
licensing
Studio
reimagined.
code? So you can search here. This is the Visual Studio code. This is the Visual Studio code, and also the notepad. Open this. You should open this. After that,
Artlist.io.
so it will take some time. Whenever we can open. So the our two types different types of the editors is there. That one is the we can
Artlist.io.
utilize the for the to editing of our code purpose. We can utilize that Visual Studio and also Notepad. Notepad plus plus.
Music
Notepad plus
licensing
plus
reimagined.
available, and here I have in my system only Notepad only, so that's why. So I can open that is Notepad. In this Notepad based it also we can make some files, HTML files. So what happened? The studio not respond. Okay, first of all,
Artlist.io.
so I will create one. I am creating one file. That is the in our path, HTML path.
Music
So
licensing
that file name is
reimagined.
the basic dot basic HTML dot the file so you can save like this.
Artlist.io.
After that what will happen that you can see there. Oh, you can go back. So here the browser automatically created. So it means here HTML code is nothing but a browser. Okay.
Music
So when I
licensing
open,
reimagined.
here Microsoft Edge browser opening. So here browser, different browsers is there. That is the Google browser and is the Microsoft Edge browser. So Opera and something Mozilla browser like that. All everything browsers so made by the HTML code. Okay, this is the default document object model basic. It was the browsers automatically created through this HTML file. Okay, so let's see here. You can see, you can watch here, Visual Studio. Why does not working?
Artlist.io.
So let's for the in this. I was created some file here. So when you first of all you can choose
Music
this
licensing
browser.
reimagined.
Whenever you have selected this browser, you can give the right click of the mouse. So then after some options will come soon. So my system is very slow, so it will take some time. What will happen? Oh, here our Visual Studio Code open. That is the main drawback.
Artlist.io.
Okay. Already I was I was used that notepad editor for the making of this file HTML file browser,
Music
and also
licensing
I can make
reimagined.
the another through by using this Visual Studio Code. So let's save here, and you can create the file. And first of all, you can create the folder. Open the folder. Where is our folder? Is there? Our folder is the
Artlist.io.
HTML folder. In this HTML folder, so I need to made another HTML folder. So I was choose no need. You just
Music licensing
select
reimagined.
folder only. You just select and open. So then automatically inside of that HTML folder, which files is there? Already we are saved now some previously that basic file, basic HTML file came here. So you can create like that way. Here also you can create a new file. So then like that way, notepad how done how did
Artlist.io.
we are saved. So like that way here also we can make by using this new file option. Okay, so like you should make you create the new files.
Artlist.io.
Already I have the one file is there. In this one file I have no any code, HTML code. So how to make the default HTML code? The shortcut key is the, do you know,
Music
accelerometer
licensing
symbol.
reimagined.
So this accelerometer symbol gives the, whenever this accelerometer symbol enter, then automatically defaultly our HTML doc file came. So this is the scripting language. This is the scripting language of the, means it is a computer language. So there are two types of the
Artlist.io.
languages is there for computer languages. That is the, this is the scripting one, is the scripting language of the HTML. Another one the JavaScript programming. That is the programming language. Already I told you in previous sections. Okay. So before we are going to the explain about the JavaScript. First of all, we should need to this scripting language for awareness of it is useful for the in front of the that JavaScript classes. Okay, so this I will explain this each and every tag. This every tag considering as a scripting language. So in this doc HTML, doc type HTML
Artlist.io.
tells to the browser how to describe the structures of the number of the pages consists of this the series of the elements of the it tells to the browser how to display the content elements labels pieces of the content
Music
such
licensing
as this, this is
reimagined.
the heading, this is the paragraph, this is the head, so and so on link, etc. Like that way, it is describe the this doc HTML, doc type HTML. It is tell to the this is the HTML version. It is also tells to the browser that this is the HTML5 version, so on version. So like that is the main uh, useful for this doc type tag. Okay, that is the doc type tag.
Artlist.io.
So next HTML tag. This is the main container tag of this uh, the script. So HTML here the language English. Here is means English. This the language is the variable and the property. The property inside value is the en is the
Artlist.io.
value and this the lang is the property name. So that is the total entire called the attribute. So this is the HTML. This is the starting tag. So this is the header tag. So I will tell each and every one.
Music
Okay. So
licensing
here the
reimagined.
program languages we are already explaining you. So the Java, .NET, C, C++, and also the scripting languages. This is already told you. The HTML, CSS, JavaScript, like that way. The every language you have should be the useful for us. So for the which purpose of this all scripting and program language is useful
Artlist.io.
for us to make the web pages, so here three what is the website. It is the website is the so different types of the collections of web pages. How was made these web pages. So the
Music
based upon this
licensing
language HTML,
reimagined.
JavaScript, CSS style codes. Okay, so there are the three types of the pages: the static web pages and dynamic pages, and server-side pages is there. So first, static pages we can see in suppose uh, any railway, IRCTC, IRCTC. So this is the railway.
Artlist.io.
So this is the static in every front page, every home page. This is the static page, and also this is the static page. And after that, you are submit
Music licensing
your details.
reimagined.
After login inside, after login, some page will be open. So that is the dynamic pages. So there are the three types of the pages: static and dynamic and server pages. So this all pages. So this server side the pages is the so we can different types of the base
Artlist.io.
the dynamic pages some the news websites and shopping website. This type of the websites we dynamic pages examples we can consider it. So static pages this is the railway pages we can
Artlist.io.
example we will we will take for the that web static web page. So this is the example for that pages. So first of all, what is the first of all
Music
what is
licensing
the
reimagined.
tags? What is the tags? I will explain in next video. What is the tags? Tag already here. These all are tags. This doc HTML tag and header tag, this meta tag and title tag, and start starting tag, ending tag, body tags, and whatever what is
Artlist.io.
useful for this.